Okay, real talk. Today I stumbled into a rabbit hole. Not the YouTube kind with conspiracy theories and cat memes, but the one where AI literally edits your videos, swaps your face, changes your outfit, composes your music. I'm talking about FlexClip, an AI content creation tool. It's like if Canva, CapCut, and ChatGPT had a super talented baby. Let's jump in. So in today's video, we are going to break down everything that FlexClip can do. From image generation, video tools, to sound design, to AI-based animation, clothes swapping, and more. Let's go. When you first log in, FlexClip looks like a playground for video creators. It's got templates for everything. Product promos, vlogs, logo reveals, birthdays, you name it. The cool thing though, these templates aren't just placeholders. They are fully customizable. You can swap in your own images and the transition and animation presets are applied. Just carry on like they were made for you. It's like someone handed you an entire B-roll crew with an After Effects wizard for like just 10 cents a render. Now let's talk about what made me pause my Netflix binge and say wow out loud. The FlexClip AI image tools. In the image category, there are a medley of options. From image to image, text to image, background remover, old photo restoration, object remover, image extender, image upscaler, photo colorizer, and clothes changer. The first thing I tried, 3D Polaroid preset. I uploaded an image, hit generate, bam! The image turned into a mini cute as heck 3D floating Polaroid. Like this thing needs to be on my shelf in real life. You can either download it immediately or you can generate a video of the image straight away. So cool. If you click on the video, it will directly take you to an inbuilt video editor where you can use the asset, rescale it, add music, add more clips, and generate a video. Then I got greedy. I tried Claymation effect on the same image. The credits that are required for each generation are very low, so you can end up creating a lot of generations. Here as well, I was stunned by the result. Quickly, it converted me into a clay molded image. The human image results are not as accurate or in accordance with what was uploaded. It takes its own creative liberties with the face, but the remaining details are spot on. So I also tried the effect on non-human forms and uploaded a 2D beetle illustration. The result? A full-on Pixar-style clay beetle. I'm so sure it blinked at me. This is groundbreaking when it comes to claymation. I went ahead and also tried the same for a lily 2D illustration. The lily generated was clay molded perfection. In this effect, claymation gets a little experimental with faces, so stick to non-human stuff if you're looking for consistency and great results. Next up, text to image. Easy interface, pretty standard stuff if you've used any other text to image tools like Midjourney or DALL-E. You also get prompt examples to learn from. You can go through some images where you see the existing prompts used to generate those images, which is great if you're like me and still learning. Type a prompt, choose your mode, fast, pro, ultra. Pick an aspect ratio, the number of generations that can be controlled by selecting how many outputs you want. Generations are quick, low credit, and great for experimentation. I didn't go super deep here, but it's worth a dive if you want total control. Now let's talk face swap. Oh boy. Here you can take some preset images as examples. You can upload your image for face swapping. It kind of replaces the face with your uploaded face. Some results are disturbing, some are chef's kiss. It's mostly hit or miss, but fun as heck. Then there's the clothes changer. I uploaded the same image, picked a white top from the existing options in the FlexClip library. It seamlessly replaced my yellow top, like you are in an AI changing room. But here's the kicker. When I tried a full-length image, uploaded a garment reference to be swapped, it couldn't generate the image in spite of numerous tries. Nah. So here I think it's still work in progress. Swapping entire outfits isn't quite runway ready yet. But the close-up changes, very cool. There's a huge gallery of video generation options. Text or image to video, blog URL to video, product URL to video, PPT PDF to video, auto subtitles, video background remover, text editing, and more. FlexClip has both text to video and image to video options available. And you can generate amazing videos from 5 to 10 seconds simply by giving prompts of exactly how you want a video. When it comes to text to video, you can give the aspect ratio you want. In image to video, it takes automatically the aspect ratio of the image uploaded. Upload image, prompt, and done. Here I animated my clay beetle, made the beetle skateboard. Next, I uploaded the claymation lily that I had created earlier, made the lily wave and talk, all using image to video tool. It's surprisingly smooth. It's not Pixar yet, but for short content reels, explainer videos, it's a total game changer. And if you thought we were done, not even close. Sound design in FlexClip is wild. It's like a complete sound design studio. The options here are incredible. It has music generator, text-to-speech, translator, noise reductor, vocal remover, sound effects, and even voice cloning. You can select from a wide variety of existing music samples. You can also record your own vocal. Just drop in the lyrics, describe the vibe for the lyrics, and the music you want to generate. Hit generate. It will quickly give you a sample of the kind of music you want. Keep on generating till you get the kind of music you desire. Then I used the voice recorder, cloned my own voice, and I added it to the Beatles dialogue.
Woohoo! I'm gliding like a boss.
Hey, hello there. I missed you.
It was weirdly satisfying. It also has a wide library of sound effects, which can be used directly in your video editor. And yes, you can describe any sound and it will generate it for you. So here's the deal. FlexClip is not just a video editor. It's not just an image tool. It's an all-in-one AI creator studio that lets you go from idea to output in like 5 clicks. Sure, it's not perfect. Some tools are still a gamble, and the text-to-image engine isn't Midjourney level. But honestly, for creators, filmmakers, animators, educators, or anyone who needs content fast, it's a winner. I have barely scratched the surface of what this thing can do in this video. So I'll probably do a few more deep dives in my upcoming videos. If you want to see that, smash the like, hit subscribe, and tell me in comments what do you want to test next. Catch you in the next one, with or without my talking beetle.